Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create web tabs in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the setup menu and search for setup. So here you click on this icon, we go to setup, and basically we need just to search in the quick find section for tabs. So uh, let's just type tabs, and from here we can click on tabs, and it will take us to this custom tabs, and we will find the web tabs. We click on new, and now we will be able to start creating ones. So either you can try a tab as follow to have only a full page width. So basically you will have a header, and then you will have a full page tab, or you can have a column as a side menu, and then you will have your page. So I'm going to choose this one, and basically I'm just going to click on next, and then we proceed with the creation of our tab. So here you can display the properties for your tab. You can name it my tab, for example. I'm just going to give it that name, and here you will have the tab name and a tab style that you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose this style as an example, and this is only the head of your frame. So here we can just click on next, and basically now we will be able to select the fields that we want to have available in the merge fields. So if you don't want, just go for your organization field and you can select fields. And from here, you can have a button to preview your web tab. So here, I'm just going to, and basically now you will need just to add the to select the fields that you want to merge. And for example, like that. And basically, we can use our website like this and paste it here, and basically we need just to have like that, and we have it as a query. So q and equal this, and we can preview this tab. So it seems that there is something not working here perfectly in our website. It might be that we don't have these fields, etc. So basically, just make sure to have the exact fields that's working, and then you will need just to click on next. And basically, those are the things that will be added to your web tab. You click next and save, and now you have your own tab that has been created. So basically, this is your tab, and this is how you create one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.